We issue permits, licenses, certifications, and we really work with stakeholders both within the industry as well as the general public to ensure that the folks that are working on equipment and systems are safe, have the right knowledge and attitudes, that they exist within organizations that have strong safety cultures and adopt the right practices. For us, it's really about involving the end users of the safety system in our work. And so it's really important for us that we have that voice represented at the table. And so in some cases, we do that kind of inform piece at the far end, but we're very much trying to move in the direction of really working collaboratively and co-creating with our industry stakeholders, as well as in some cases getting direct input from the public, like homeowners and community members, as well as family groups and organizations. So anyone that's interested can always get involved in our consultation and research projects. One particular area where we've recently done quite a bit of public and community engagement in particular is around amusement rides and devices. So like your P&Es, major water parks, even something like your inflatable bouncy castle. We oversee the safe installation and operation of those pieces of equipment. And in 2018, there was unfortunately a fatal incident at a trampoline park in Richmond, which really led to us doing a deeper exploration into the full scope of oversight that we provide for that industry, and whether there was other rides or devices that needed to be included within that regulation and oversight model. In some cases, it's not just about the skills and knowledge and expertise of the person installing or even operating the equipment, but even the patrons themselves, making sure that they are exercising caution and safe behaviors as they're interacting with those pieces of equipment. And so we launched a full public consultation to really understand the public perception around safety within this particular industry and what our role or government's role should be in kind of ensuring safety. I think a lot of people didn't realize that a lot of some of the rides and devices that they're interacting with or their kids are interacting with actually are not regulated. So I think that was a interesting insight for us in terms of what public knowledge and awareness is in some cases on kind of what's regulated within their built environment and what's not. And like I said, there was a really strong interest and willingness to ensure safety, even if that meant added regulation. Having that bundle membership allows us to access all of your resources, as well as some of the free and paid training webinars, and just being part of a wider community of engagement professionals and being able to learn best practices. And I think one of the things that we're continuing to explore is how to bring that knowledge wider within our own organization. How do we extend the reach into some of the other teams and departments that are working on these policy and program initiatives that can benefit from that background.